Yo, Pressure Gang, man. Look, check me out, man. Bro, I saw this title after watching that last police video. And like, bro, fake cop handcuffs drunk man gets arrested himself. Like, what, bro? Like, where do you even get a police uniform that's so, like, I don't know, legit? I guess. Let's see, bro. Let's see if his uniform actually look apart, bro. You know what I'm saying? Okay, disabled SUV in the roadway, which matches the description of it.
What's going on, man?
Somebody just hit us at the red light. This is my husband.
Is he okay?
Somebody did a hit and run.
Sir?
Man.
He in handcuffs? Why is he in handcuffs?
I can't answer no questions, sir.
Hold on 1 second. Leave him there. Leave him there. Leave him there. Leave him there. Leave him there.
Oh, what the fuck?
Radio, can I get a photo of my location? I have a black man with lacerations to his face.
Got him the fuck out of there is what happened. Is what I would bet money on.
Who took the handcuffs off?
I don't know.
Attend to the male passenger. Officers again question the female driver, and she indicates that she and the handcuffed passenger were at a nearby club prior to that. Okay.
Yo, whose car is this?
Huh?
Whose car is this?
So y'all didn't do nothing about him being handcuffed?
Hey, how did he wind up in handcuffs, Lev? How did he wind up in handcuffs?
Sir, we just left the strip club.
Which strip club?
Peaches.
Peaches? Okay. I got you. Over on RDA?
Yeah.
I got you. Okay. Did you guys get into it with security over there?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay.
All I know is that's my husband.
Gotcha. Say less.
I'm going to grab your
Appreciate it.
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. You're good. What's this?
Bro, I'm so confused.
1306 radio.
He gets puts in handcuffs,
Fuck around like a easy car?
but end up getting in the car
What do you work for?
anyway. It's like he was put in handcuffs at first and he just ran off.
Did y'all have some shit up here a little bit ago? Male and female get into it with anybody?
Yeah.
Went back to the
Left in a
club.
pair of handcuffs?
Yeah.
Alright, what was the story with that?
They were just drunk.
The security officer for the club identifies himself as Department of Homeland Security Special Agent and states that he placed the male in handcuffs before the male ran off. Okay, so yeah, he did get put in handcuffs and then run off.
And,
But this is a fake cop though.
Mine. He took off. He jumped in the SUV and took off.
Yeah. I mean, it's Metro to Fair, so like almost down to 166.
Mm-hmm.
Wiped out real hard.
Man.
Hurt some people, hurt themselves.
Oh.
Alright. Here's what I want you to do for me, okay? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your firearm off your side. Okay?
Okay.
You got just syrup out here?
Yeah.
Alright. Place that in my car. I'm gonna detain you for right now.
Okay.
All right.
What y'all think you thinking
Right now,
right
you
now?
are not under arrest. You're just being detained for the further investigation here. Do you have a key to your handcuffs?
In the car.
Keys in the car?
Yeah.
Who's the radio through?
eBay. Nobody.
So he playing a role, bro.
It's not a Homeland radio?
No.
This nigga playing a role, bro. He want to be a cop so damn bad. He in there with a fake uniform, fake badge. What?
Okay. I'm gonna have you have a seat in my car for a minute, okay?
Okay.
But never registered it. The license plate is off of a Bluebird school bus from Tucker, Georgia. That's how he got a GB tag.
Oh man, this is a strip club security.
That's PA.
Oh man.
Is it just a scanner? The jacket in the back seat is just a regular old raincoat. It doesn't say police on it. Got it? Beautiful. Put this in the bag with all of the other evidence, because that's going to be evidence also.
You don't have a mic, so I guess it's not.
this goofy ass nigga. Capping Hey man, hope y'all enjoyed this. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you did. Let me know reaction in the future, but I get back at you, dog. I'm out.